So in this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a variable, and we're also going to look at how to create a simple program that allows us to cycle through different numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I cycle through those numbers, I'm going to display a different picture. In doing this, we can overcome the problem that on the BBC Microbit, we've only got 2 buttons. So it's fairly difficult to add lots of different outcomes if you've only got 2 things to press. This way, I can have lots of different numbers and I could carry on going up. So when I get to the number 100, for example, something else happens each time. So let's look at how this works. Okay. The first thing I need to do is to create a variable. A variable is a number that changes and is stored. In computer games, we have numbers such as health, such as ammo, that go up and go down given certain conditions. These are known as variables. We're going to create a variable called picture number. Okay. And it says that already exists because I've just built it here. So I've created a variable that says picture number on the picture number tab. Okay. So this way, through this program, I want to create a number. And when picture number is this, then something's going to happen. When picture number is that, something else happens. And this way I can create lots of different outcomes using the little program. So now what I'm going to do is click on, just select a forever loop to start with, then click on logic. This is where I'm going to have an if true clause, okay? If true. Now I need to change this. If something is true, then do something. So what I'm going to say is, if the picture number is 1, show this picture. That's what I'm trying to create. So to do that, I need to click back on logic, and it's this little curious jigsaw piece here. It says if something equals something, and they're set to 0 at the moment. So what I need to do then is just click on variables and slot this handy little jigsaw piece in here. So now it says if picture number equals 0, then do something. So I'm going to select a picture. I'll select the picture of a heart. So now, okay, when the picture number is 0, it will show a heart. And it's automatically set to 0, so it's showing a heart. Now I can just right-click, then duplicate that, slot it underneath, and I'll say if picture number is 1, we're going to show a different picture. And you can see how we're building a bigger program. So I'm going to duplicate that, just like I had before, okay. So when picture number is 2 and when picture number is 3. Now the problem is at the moment is I've not programmed a way of changing the picture number, that variable. And that's what I need to do now. And the way I'm going to do that is using the buttons A and buttons B. So I'm going to have button B add 1 to the picture number and button A take away 1 from the picture number, so I can cycle through them. So I'm now going to click on input when button A pressed, and we also need a button B pressed. Okay, so I'm going to say button B is going to be add 1 to the picture number. So to do that, I click on variables, and what I'm going to do is change, and instead of saying item, I'm going to click on change picture number by 1. So when I press B, it will change the picture number by +1. Okay, if I just right click and duplicate that, now when I press button A, I'm going to change the picture number by -1. Okay, so let's just have a look. When the picture number is 0, it's going to show a heart. Picture number 1 is a tick. Picture number 2, I'll just change that picture there, across. And picture number 3, when the picture is number 3, it goes to that. So let's just see that on here. Okay, I can change the picture number. I'm going to add 1 to the picture number, and it's showing me the tick. I'm going to add another one to the picture number to show the cross, and add another one to the picture number to show the other icon there, and I can press A to take away 1 from the picture number. So the picture number is now 3. I'm going to take it away. It goes to picture number 2, picture number 1, 0. In creating a variable, we can create lots of different possibilities and outcomes, because these numbers could go on forever. I could have a number up to 100, could show me a different picture when I get to 100. 101 could be something, 102 could be something. And in doing so, it means we can break away from just the two different buttons that we've got on the BBC Microbit.